Hello students, in this video let's see orthographic projection. In this, center of projection is at infinity. Projectors are parallel to each other and they make an angle 90 degree with the plane of projection. Normally we consider z equal to 0 plane or xy plane as the plane of projection. Therefore, observer is on z-axis is what? Positive infinity. Observer is on z-axis positive infinity. Then orthographic projection matrix is projection onto z equal to 0 plane. Pz equal to 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. Now, due to this, look at what is point P star. You know P star is nothing but P into what? Suppose Pz. What is P? It is x, y, z, 1 into what? Pz. That is x, y, z, 1 into Pz is what? This matrix. Right? Pz is this matrix, right? So here, while taking multiplication of these two matrices, what we get? We get here, it is x, y, 0, 1. That is nothing but a point xy. Okay? So, as Pz is applied on P, point P, which is in xyz plane, so that time projection will be done on what? Xy plane. We will get a point in xy plane. Similarly, what is projection on xz plane? For that, the matrix Py. Similarly, a matrix Py is what? Is this 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Now, if Py is operated on P, what we get? We get a point in xz plane. P into Py. You can check it. What is P? P is x, y, z, 1. What is Py with us? It is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So that gives us a point in what? XZ plane. Again, what about Px? Px is the matrix 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now, applying this, we get P star is what? P into Px. So that will be what? X, Y, Z, 1 into Px this will give us what? A point in YZ plane. Okay. Now let's write few notes from this. Note 1. For any projection matrix, P, determinant of that matrix P is what? 0. Second, in orthographic projection, if face of the object is parallel to the plane of projection, face of the object is parallel to the plane of projection, then its true size and shape is maintained. Its true size and shape is maintained. Third thing, it says in orthographic projection, we get information of only one face which fails to give the information of total 3D object. The most common type of types of orthographic projections are front, rear means what? Back. Next, top, bottom, left side and right side. These are used in engineering drawing. These are used in engineering drawing to depict machine parts, assemblies, etc. We find multiple orthographic projection as follows. Center of projection is at infinity. On positive z-axis, and plane of projection is z equal to 0 or xy plane. Now let's write one table for that. Now views of the orthographic projection. How does we will obtain? Now view, here let us say a plane on which the projection occur. Okay, then axis of projection, transformation matrix, that is what, P, and rotation angle. Now let's prepare this table. Now what does this? Here which views are there? Now let me write one by one. Right view, then the plane of projection is what? X equal to 0. Then here positive x-axis is there. Then transformation matrix is what? Rotation through y-axis into what? PZ, and angle is minus 90 degree. Okay, next left view. For left view on x equal to 0 plane, negative x-axis is the axis of projection. What is the matrix? Is again rotation through y and PZ, and angle of rotation is what? 90 degree. Top view, y equal to 0, that time positive y-axis. Then angle of rotation through x-axis into what? PZ. And what is the angle here? 90 degree. Then bottom view. Here again y equal to 0 is the plane, negative y-axis. Okay, what is here? Rotation through x-axis into what? PZ. But what is the angle? Is minus 90 degree. Okay, next front, z equal to 0, positive z-axis. So what is the matrix? Simply PZ is the matrix there. Angle of rotation 0 degree. And then the rear or what? Back view. Rear or what? Back. Here also plane of projection is z equal to 0, negative z axis. And what is here? Rotation through y into pz. What is angle of rotation? 180 degree. So as such we can prepare a table sorry, we can prepare a table for these views through orthographic projection. Now let us solve an example on this one. Let me write an example. Consider the unit cube with one corner removed, represented by position vector matrix x naught as follows. Now what is the position vector matrix? Let us write down that. The position vector matrix is what? Of that unit cube with one corner removed is what? X naught, having a first row 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0.5 1 1 0.5 1 1 1 0 1 1 1, then 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1, then 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0.5 1. This is our unit cube with one corner removed. Okay. Now what was the question here? Here we have to develop the left side view. Now solution for this. The transformation matrix for left side view is, what does that? It will be T is what? Rotation through y axis into pz. So it will be, and for left side view, look at this. This is our table. For left side view, the matrix of rotation is this. Rotation through y-axis into pz. What is the angle? Is 90 degree. Positive 90 degree. So let us use that part. Here, what we get? The rotation through 90 degree is what? Cos of 90. 0 minus sine of 90. 0 0 1 0 0, right? Then sine of 90 degree, 0 cos of 90 degree, 0 0 0 0 1 into pz is known to us. So pz, so 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. This is our pz. Let's simplify it. What we get here, this is cos 90, 0 0 minus 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 into 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. So the resultant matrix is 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. Now we have to obtain the left side view of that object. This is our T here, right? So from that we get x0 star is what? x0 into T. What is x0? x0 matrix with us. It is 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0.5 1 1 0.5 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1, right? Then 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0.5 1. This is a matrix. This matrix, it is given in a question to us. Now into T. T is we have been obtained. This is our T. So let me write that 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. So what was the resulting matrix? The resulting matrix is 1 0 0 1, then 1 0 0 1 1 0.5 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, then 0 1 0 1, again 0 1 0 1, and at last 0.5 1 0 1. This is our resulting matrix by taking multiplication of these two. Means this is our left view of that object unit cube where one corner is removed, right? This is the answer here. So now here we will stop. In next video we will see axonometric projection. Thank you.